So my first project at Day Tree was a kitchen, and it was a SW10 Bespoke, which is this display. Similar to the other projects that I've done. That one's got the butt hinges and the solid wood frame around the door. You can have it in any color. It's handmade in Britain, and the internals you can have the choice between oak and walnut, and for this kitchen we decided to go with walnut. The client really enjoyed cooking and really wanted a functional space with loads of storage, so we did add some accessories and drawers such as the pegboards, the spice racks, and loads of shelves and drawers to make sure that she had everything she needed. There is a pantry and a bar, so she wanted again extra storage, so we made sure that she had loads of space for her dry food, so that meant lots of internal drawers. And then we've also created a bar with a little piece of worktop with a marble effect in it, so that whenever she's got guests she can leave it open, and you've got a really nice wow factor.
In the photos there's 2 materials on the island. Why did you choose to use 2 materials?
So as I said, the client really likes cooking and she wanted something that was very easy to maintain. So for half of the worktop we've done quartz, where you've got the hob so that she can easily cut her vegetables or anything on that space of the island. And then on the other end we've got solid wood from Spec Vat, which is beautiful, and it actually matches with the open shelf. And the reason why is because she wanted a warmer material for the breakfast bar, because when you're sitting down and eating, the quartz, it can be quite cold, while the wood is a little bit warmer.